Hi, if you're bringing in over 100 new leads each week from your lead magnets, yet 95% or more of them never reply, never open your email sequences, and never engage with you, that's not bad luck. Yeah, it's actually a data issue hiding in plain sight right now. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact reason why most lead magnets create passive leads, but how you can adjust them with just one simple step in your funnel so you can actually start chatting to these people every day. Conversations with people who actually want to talk to you about what you've got and how it can help them. Now, if you'd like to swipe my ad template that gets 30 to 40% of new leads to reply instead of just 5%, just drop a word fast below. I can send that over to your messenger. Hiya, I'm Tina Sandford. I'm the founder of Tina Sandford Video Ads, and me and my son Danny have been working with coaches and service providers since 2019 to transform silent lead lists and then help them turn into booked calls without changing offers, without changing anything actually, just doing like one simple change. We didn't even increase the ad spend. And here's what the numbers actually reveal after doing that. When somebody actually clicks on your ad right now and downloads your freebie, and then they get instant access to your freebie, they feel like that transaction is actually done. They've gotten what they want. You've done this yourself. You've got the freebie. Are you expecting a call? You got to remember they came for that resource. They didn't come for a conversation with you. They didn't come to you to be sold at. We call these passive leads, okay? And I've got to share with you, across all the ad accounts we've got for our clients right now, the lead magnet funnels we've got running, they get like these kind of passive leads. They average about 5% response rate at the moment, which means like on average about 95% are ghosting people. We have a fix though. It's what we call the fast funnel. And the good news is that you don't need to change your freebie as long as it works. You just actually need to repurpose it with the following steps. Now, if you need extra conversations and calls right now, listen in. First thing you're going to do is you're going to write one clear sentence that names your freebie, but importantly, the result it gives for your ideal clients. An example could be, this checklist helps coaches to get 5 more book calls this week. Do you want it? And then the second thing you want to do is you want to run that sentence as a simple £5 a day engagement ad for 7 days. And you could either do it as a text post or a static post with a photograph or a short spoken reel. But you just invite people to comment below if they want it, okay? And then the third thing you do, when they do comment below, you want to respond in Messenger, let them know why you're reaching out, and then you want to give them the freebie if it's right for them, okay? Now, what's happened though is the lead's actually chosen to talk to you. And it's this small change that raises those reply rates from 30 to 40% from 5, yeah? What happened? Well, you actually removed that gap between download and dialogue. They actually expect to have some conversation with you because you said, want this, DM me, okay? So that's why they answer. And now what's happening is you're actually speaking with active leads instead of chasing passive ones who do want to hear from you. Now, you can track this for yourself. If you're finding that 1 in 10 leads never respond, you're running a passive lead gen system. And you could shift to the fast funnel and then you can watch that response rate climb. And finally, you'll see that your ads are actually sparking real conversations with people who actually want what you've got. And that's actually the only metric that matters right now if you want to make sales, yeah? And again, if you want about 30 to 40% reply rate instead of 5%, you can drop the word fast below. And I can send the whole setup to you in Messenger for free.